is the screen that users see upon loading the page. It states that our website is a guide to applying to government programs and that we use an AI assistant to help the user with their applications. At the bottom, we mention specific features of the app. The AI remembers user info such as ethnicity, household income level, and amount of people in the family. We also mention that the tool simplifies the application process by pulling the user information and creating a guide for them to easily apply to these programs. On the right-hand side, you can see the different examples of the programs that we help users apply to. At the top, there's a scrolling marquee mentioning the available languages that the AI can talk to the user with, which assists the user in over 99 languages. And here's a demonstration of that.
Now we are on the voice chat. So right now I'm gonna start asking and telling it about my info. I am making $20,000 a year. I have 2 dependents and I am a US citizen in California. Can you generate me a guide of how to apply to various government programs? And right now it is processing what I'm saying. Whisper is gonna make this transcription and then I'm gonna send this message to my AI agent. My AI agent has a persona of being very helpful and being very useful. And we also crafted a couple custom agentic tools for it to do deep research based off of my household context and then curate me a guide of how to apply to those various programs after checking for eligibilities also. So it does take a good minute, but once it finishes utilizing all of its various tools and thinking with itself, it is going to generate a guide for us of how to apply for those various government programs based off of our eligibility. If we wanted to speak to it in another language, such as Vietnamese or Spanish, it would speak back to us in Vietnamese or Spanish, and it would also give back our guide in whatever language that we were conversing with it. So here is our guide.
Here's your guide for applying to various government assistance programs in California. Snapidikhed Lahitchipt.
Yeah, so in this case, these were the government programs that we were eligible for, and this is our guide to applying to those various programs. And now is our About section.
So, covering our About section, we have our mission, of course, help out child of immigrant parents, and how we started was out of a shared passion for helping solve this problem. And lastly, just a little information about our team and who we are.
We also understand that navigating this page can be a little bit difficult. So to help ease this, we made a help page that has some frequently asked questions that you can go and find the answer to. But also, if you need an answer to another question that's not on here, you can always feel free to contact us.
So we are securing our platform with auth. We're using Google Gemini as the main backbone of our API tools, and we are using the .tech domain. Our domain is accessible with hackroots.tech. Thank you.